Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today's video is one of, if not the most important videos we have filmed in probably 8 or 9 years. Not only are we spraying my brand new Ford Raptor, which I am super excited about, of course, but we are showing you a sneak peek of a product that is literally going to change everything about dipping. So let's get into it. The Ford Raptor. What color did I pick? Well, I told you guys in the wheel video, the colors that I'm choosing for this truck are not for any marketing schedules, not for any views or clicks. It's what I would want on my truck if I didn't work for Dip Your Car. And the color may surprise some of you. I wanted something stealthy, I wanted something aggressive, but still something unique. What I chose is Jasper Green Performance Series. It's dark, it's aggressive, it's stealthy, but it still has just a subtle green to dark blue color shift. Not too flashy, you'll see it. I think it's gonna be perfect. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, the truck is done. And obviously, I'm excited to show it to you guys. It looks every bit as beautiful as I hoped it would. But this video is not just about the way the truck looks. Now, come here for a sec. You see this truck? Listen to this. You hear that? Does that sound like dip to you? You can't feel it, but does that feel like dip to you? It doesn't. Let's talk about what's on this truck. Hold on, let me get this. Let's sit down and have a chat. So what's on this truck is Dip Armor. Dip Armor is an advanced top coat that, by definition, is going to change everything about dipping your car. So what makes Dip Armor such a big deal? Well, let's explain it like this. Think about all the challenges that you could have, maybe things that you aren't thrilled about when it comes to dipping your car. Dip is vulnerable to scratches. Dip can be vulnerable to staining. Dip can be difficult to clean over time if it's not maintained. You can't ceramic coat dip. Gasoline can ruin dip. And you take all of those challenges and some more, and with Dip Armor, you just completely eliminate them. This truck is now scratch resistant, stain resistant, super easy to wash, clean, and maintain. You can ceramic coat it, and it's gasoline resistant. It's different than any other vehicle that we've ever dipped. Now, most importantly, this product was designed for our DIY community, meaning you can spray it with the DIY sprayers, you can spray it over Plasti Dip. This was made to take our DIY dipping community completely up to a new level. Now, don't worry, we are going to have a series of videos following this one over the next couple weeks that walk you through everything. A full video tutorial on how to mix and spray Dip Armor, how to wash and maintain it, how to ceramic coat it. All those tutorials are coming. I just wanted to show you guys a sneak peek of it because today, the 7th of February, 2020, today, as this video goes up, Dip Armor is going live for pre-order. There's a limited number on the first run. So some of you guys are going to sit back and go, okay, well, this is obviously very interesting. I can tell it's a game changer, but I want to learn a little more. And then a lot of you guys have been following me on Instagram, following in the Dip Your Car community, and you know exactly what this stuff is, and you've been waiting to get your hands on it. So if you're one of those people who's ready for Dip Armor, it's ready for pre-order now. The link is in the description box below to Dip Armor, and you can pre-order it there. There's also a link to the full user and application guide. That covers literally everything there is about Dip Armor, everything from A to Z. So if you don't want to wait for the videos and you want to read up on it now and educate yourself, the application guide is below. It'll walk you through everything. If you have any questions about Dip Armor or dipping at all, I know there's going to be a lot of them, chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com, or better yet, let's talk on the phone. Call in and speak to one of our reps because we want to walk you guys through this. This is the biggest product that we've ever launched since sprayable gallons, and I cannot explain how excited I am about it. So that's enough. Let's go outside, check out the truck. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. This is a very exciting time in the dipping world. It's Fonzie. I will see you on the next video.